betty. Let me see your license and registration.
Okay.
You got license and registration, sir? Let me see.
It has cool then.
It does, yep. Okay, you're good to go.
Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Carry on.
Okay, you have to close the door too.
All right.
That's Johnny too. Dun, dun, dee, 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 da, dee.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking back in.
Yeah, what's up? Shout the
Watch out, buddy. I'm trying to tell the people what we're doing today.
Well, saying Jet 11, hey.
I know. All right. All right, folks. Thanks again for checking back in. Sorry, it's been a little while since I've made a video. I really hadn't had anything to do to the Envoy, but I've got two things I'm doing today. One, today's a big day for little man. He's actually getting a new car seat, so we're putting that in.
Oh yeah, in Daddy's car.
That's right. But also, I wanted to share with you, I've been having trouble with my headlights. My headlights have been randomly turning on and off just driving down the highway. Nothing really that I can figure, to do with the light bulbs themselves. So I want to show you something that I've found on YouTube, and just want to make this video to show you how to fix light bulbs, your headlamps, low beams that is.
Daddy,
What?
headlights.
Headlights, yes, I'm sorry.
Headlights.
Headlights. I want to show you how to fix your headlights so that they stop randomly turning on and off. So before I do that, I want to get this thing out, replaced, and then I'll show you how to fix your low beam headlights, right?
No, not low beam headlights, only headlights.
Only your headlight, but you got low beams and high beams. And the low beams are the ones I'm having problems with.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, let's get started.
Yeah.
There we go. Just that easy. All right, now on to the headlights. All right, so back to my headlight issue. The issue I was having was my headlights were just turning on and off randomly when I was driving down the highway. And as you can see now, they're at, oh, there you go. They just turned off randomly. I had them turned on. I was hoping that they would do just that. So let me just show you this really quickly. So I've actually got my headlight selector switch turned on. That's why they were on. And then all of a sudden they just randomly turned off. So again, on, off, nothing. But when I do the high beams work just fine. So obviously it's not a problem with the bulbs themselves. The bulbs work as you saw, and then they just randomly cut out. Let me show you what the fix for this is. It's actually easier than you may think. So before you go trying to diagnose and troubleshoot some electrical problems and trying to chase those demons through the car, let me show you one thing to check here. So come to your fuse box inside your engine compartment. Okay, and look for, see if you can see it here. Look for number 46. 46 is your HDM solid state relay. That's your headlight driver module. That's actually your low beam. So you come over here. This is the headlight driver module right here. All you got to do, remove this, put in a new one. This is actually the same thing here, but this new one is an ACDelco. All right, so here's the new ACDelco. This is actually, if I'm not mistaken, this was a relay that I bought from just a local auto parts store. You can tell the difference there on the bottom. The ACDelco number is 150-16745. I'll put a link in the description down below. So all you got to do, you just replace this relay, almost like a fuse. You just pop it in there, and let's see if that fixed the problem. I'll turn the headlights on. there you go. So the headlights work now. Now I know that doesn't prove that the headlights won't turn off randomly when I'm driving down the road, but from everything I've read and all the videos that I've seen on YouTube, that solid state relay is the most likely culprit for your headlights turning off randomly while driving down the road. So I hope that has been helpful to you. Now one other thing, before I forget, I don't know if you saw where the prongs go in for the relay, where they actually go into the fuse block here. I saw a really great diagnostic video by a YouTuber named Mayo3LT, and I'll put a link to his video down below. He really gets in detail on how to test each one of those prongs to check for continuity, to make sure you've got voltage, so on and so forth. I'm not going to get into that in my video, but again, I'll put a link to his video in the description below. Really great video. I suggest you check it out if you're into doing some of the electrical diagnostics. But again, this little guy here, this little solid state relay, I believe it was about 25, maybe 30 bucks from Amazon. I'll put a link to that in the description below. This will not be an affiliate link, so I don't get any money from it. But if you need one of these solid state relays, if your headlights are turning on and off randomly when driving down the road, I think you may want to check that out. Hopefully that's been helpful. All right, so there you go. So if your headlights are turning on and off randomly, maybe it's your relay. So try that out. Hopefully that'll fix your problem. Thanks again for checking out the video. We'll see y'all on the next one.